Today we're looking at the two versions of LCDs for the Videojet printers. This one on the left is the latest version and had a revision that changed the size and model of the LCD. Now this is great for the OEM because it's confusing. Which LCD do I need? Oh no, I gotta call Videojet.
God damn it, same shit, different day.
Screw that. Let's clear that confusion up right now. Up first, this HSD number is the new LCD model. So this is on the 24 and newer models. Now, if you're still unsure about the label or it's missing from the LCD, you can measure the walls that contain the LCD. So the width measurement is 192 millimeters, the height is 116. While we're here, let's discuss the original. Now, you can find these in the previous revs of Videojets and the still existing link screens. Notice the cables are in slightly different places. This G08 number is the older version LCD. Have no fear, we're updating the website to reflect the two versions. If you're still concerned, we offer a free repair service, so send the screen to us or call anytime.